Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to add AC Freon to 2012 Nissan Murano. This is gonna apply to Nissan Murano made from 2009 and all the way up to 2014. If you notice that your AC is not blowing cool air, you probably have low Freon in the system. But it could be also due to other things such as AC leak somewhere or bad AC compressor. In this video I'm gonna show you how to check the level of Freon in the system and then how to add it. So for adding AC Freon I'm gonna be using simple AC recharge kit, which contains of AC hose and can of AC Freon. Before you start charging your vehicle, you always want to make sure the proper AC Freon that your car uses. So usually you would find a sticker with AC specifications. It's gonna be either on the hood, like on the sticker like that, or this part of the vehicle. So like I said, before you start charging, you want to make sure you put the proper Freon for your vehicle. So the first thing, we need to locate low AC port, and this port we're gonna attach one end of the AC hose. And low AC port is usually the smallest port of two ports you have. So we have low AC port and high AC port. So on this vehicle, low AC port is located right here. So it's very approachable and it's gonna make this AC refill very easy. So first we'll have to remove this cap by turning it counterclockwise, and then you can just put it aside. Now with the AC hose you have two ends. One that looks like that will connect to this low port, and the other end you will have to screw on your Freon can. So now, while vehicle is not running, now I'm gonna attach this hose to a low AC port. You wanna make sure this is tight fitment. It needs to click, and this one is very secure and it's not loose. So at this point on other side, you don't do nothing with this side, because we're gonna check the Freon level in the system. So ideally, when we now start the vehicle and then turn AC on, we want to see that black needle in the blue field, ideally on the higher level in the blue field. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna start the vehicle. So now, while in the vehicle, to start the process you will have to start it first, then turn the temperature to the coldest settings. Now we have it to the coldest settings, and we want to turn blower to the highest settings. And now we're gonna turn AC on and also recirculation button. Now I'm gonna go outside and check the level of Freon in the system. Now, as expected, you see that black needle is not even in the blue field, so obviously this vehicle needs some Freon to it. Okay, now we have vehicle running, the AC is on, the fan is turned to the high speed, and the temperature is turned to the coldest settings. Now we're gonna go to this part. Now to start this process, it's ideally if you have AC can turned upside down, and then slowly you will have to start turning this wing nut. Now I'm gonna start turning this wing nut so I can puncture the AC can. You just wanna do it slowly. Okay, and as you can see right here on the gauge, the black needle is slowly moving into the blue field where we want it to be. Like I said, you want to do it slowly. And you don't want to overfill it. Now at the same time you want to go into the vehicle and see if it blows cold air. So yeah, there is very cold air blowing out, so I already see the difference. In some cases one Freon can is enough, but in some cases, depends on the capacity of AC system, you will need 2 cans. Like I said, always see what kind of Freon do you need and the capacity of the Freon system. So at this point I'm very happy with cold air in the cabin, and I'm gonna stop this process. So I filled it up with 1 AC can, and for me that should be more than enough because there is very cold air blowing out now. When you're done charging, simply go into the vehicle, turn the vehicle off, and then unplug this AC hose and remove everything. And don't forget to put your little plastic cap on the hose, screw it on, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.